Hello, welcome to our channel. We are the Gaps Did That. We will be trying different restaurants in the state of Texas. I am Don Shay, and this is
Vaughn.
And the first place we're going to is
Madeas, down home cooking.
in Fort Worth, Texas. Let's go try it out. It's a soul food spot. And if you're wondering why we got on the mask, quarantine. Coronavirus.
It's real. Miles. Gotta stay safe out here through this corona.
Well, had to send my girl inside because it's crowded. Ain't nowhere to park. Look. And we're finally home.
From
This
Madeas.
is what we got from there. We got mac and cheese, greens, cabbage. What was this called
Broccoli
again?
broccoli rice.
Broccoli rice, cheese casserole,
And
dressing, another dressing. We got
Banana pudding.
banana pudding,
Strawberry cake. 10-piece catfish. And 4-piece fried chicken wings.
Well. Here we go. You ready for this? Oh, she over there on her phone too. You ready for this?
Yeah. Let's chow down.
First bite. Here we go. Okay.
You guys from?
What you think?
The broccoli cheese casserole is on point. It's on point.
Well, you know me, I'm a fan of cabbage, so see how this go. Okay. Alright. Well, killed the food already. But next up is my strawberry cake. And babe, what did you get?
Banana pudding.
Banana pudding. See how this goes. No, don't be doing no bunny ears. See? Alright, so we just got finished eating. What do you think, babe? Like, out of a scale of 1 through 5, what would you give it?
A 4.
A 4? I'd give it a 3. So I guess on a scale of 1 through 10, that'll be
A 7.
7. Yeah, 7 out of 10. The only thing that was really wrong to me was,
The dressing.
yeah, the dressing was a little salty. And I'm not a big fan of the cake. The cake was like too sweet. I'm like, as soon as you bite into it, it's good, but this shit was making my tooth hurt.
Same go for banana pudding. It was good, but it was like, fuck, it's so damn sweet. But
Right.
hey, it is what it is.
But for the price that it was, we're waiting in line pretty damn long. It's still
It
worth
worked
it.
it.
7 out of 10. I fucks with it.
All right, that's a repeater duder, but our menu gonna change when we go back.
Right. Alright. See you guys later.
The gaps.
Peace.